Edmund Halley published a synopsis of astronomical cosmonauts in 1705. The most widely accepted model to explain the formation and evolution of solar system is nebular hypothesis. Terrestrial plants are made up of rock and metals. Mercury, Venus, Earth are terrestrial plants. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are Jovian plants. Universe expanding with galaxies moving away from each other is called Edwin Hubble. Great red spot is found on Jupiter. Largest planet our solar system is called Jupiter. Hottest planet our solar system is called Venus. Earth perihelion occurs in January. The smallest planet in our solar system is Mercury. Total known moon of Neptune is called 14. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are known as outer planets. The constellation Ursa Major is known as Great Bear. Ursa Major is largest constellation in the northern hemisphere. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are inner planets. Inner planets are also called terrestrial planets. The smallest outer planet is Uranus. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Moon is only natural satellite of Earth. Radius of Earth increases from poles to equator. The light of sun to reach the Earth takes about 8 minutes. The distance between Earth and Sun is 1500 million kilometers. Mars has two suns, Phobos and Deimos. Phobos and Deimos are discovered in 1877 by Asaph Hall. Haumaka, Makemaka, Ceres are dwarf planets. The Earth is closest parallel to Sun every year, 3rd January. The approximate speed of Earth in its orbit about Sun is 30 km per second. The age of Earth is currently about 4.5 million hours. Number of satellites that Moon have, Uranus have 27. The windiest planet in solar system is Neptune. Callion is a natural satellite of Pluto. The famous constellation that can be seen during summertime in early part of night is called Ursa Major. The 15th day from full moon is known as new moon day. Meteoroids shower named quadrants William from Earth in December to January. Lyraeoids, meteoroids can be seen from Earth in April. Constellation called Great Bear made up of 7 bright stars. The origin of universe is expanded in Big Bang theory. The point in orbit of Sun or a planet at which is nearest to Earth is called perigee. IC 1101 is a galaxy. The approximate period between two consecutive new moon is called 29.5 days. Odisha often faces natural disaster due to cyclones. Birchen landforms associated with deserts. Bishnoi community of Rajasthan is known for its significant contribution to forest and animal protection. A study of landforms and landform evolution is called germophonology. Term geography is coined by Eratosthenes. The smallest district in Tamil Nadu in term of area is called Kanyakumari. Malmar is finest variety of muslin. Headquarter of Geological Survey of India is located in Kolkata. Uttarakhand has an unusual rainfall in 2013. Series of Colossus alluvial fan along a mountain front is called Bajada. Separating cotton is called from Guinea. Beijing Declaration Right of Women. Policy आ गया